Tripadvisor affiliate program sign up. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be talking about Tripadvisor's affiliate program and how it works and of course how to join. Now, in a Tripadvisor, you might be surprised to find that they have an affiliate program and their affiliate program is actually really good. As you can see here, the minimum that they have, or like the minimum percentage that you will be able to receive, is 50%, which is a lot. So, if users come to TripAdvisor via our traceable affiliate link and click out or check out with their partners, we will be able to receive 50% off that commission or that payment, which is something very big. And over here, they don't need to have, or there's no hotel booking required. Users may still be able to research and check out the planning stages over here. So no need to push for a sale. So we will get paid through clicks and not just having a sale. So that's also something very big. We don't need people to book a hotel or book a room for us to be able to earn something because some platforms out there has certain requirements when it comes to having a successful sale. But in TripAdvisor, we will still get paid even if they just click to check out their hotel booking partners, regardless whether they pay or they book or not. So, which is a really great thing. And they also have a 14-day referral windows. If your users return to TripAdvisors within those 14 days, we will be able to get extra credit and earn commission, even if they come back on a different device. So as long as, of course, it's through your link or through the same account, I guess, we will still be able to earn a lot or be able to have a successful uh, sale in technically. And over here, how do we earn commissions? It was explained. So we have our site. They click on our affiliate link and they check out their hotel booking partners, and we will be able to receive money through that. For example, over here, for publisher one or a one user or one affiliate partner, 170 clicks was recorded, sent to TripAdvisor through their partners, and they were able to receive $60 per month. So that's a really big thing. You just need 170 clicks, and you will be able to earn that much. And over here, another example, 6,000 plus clicks, they will be able to earn 17,000 or $1,720 per month. So that's a really big thing, even especially since it's just through clicks. And that they don't even need to have or book a hotel or book a room, which is a really, I think some people might think is a condition that we need to have, but no, that's actually very simple. And all we need to do is to sign up first with their network partner over here. Their network partner will be our link generators, which will also manage the user tracking and pays the commission, of course. Both are free to sign up with. And over here, this is the website over here. We're trying to sign up over here. So simply enter the necessary information. So over here, there we go, verify email. And they will be sending an email over here through the email, of course, that you have used. So simply first click on CJ sign up. You will be redirected to this page where you will be able to enter necessary information. And while waiting for this, as you can see, CJ affiliate. Now simply click on create my CJ affiliate account or publishing account. Now, while waiting for that, let's talk about more how it works over here. Once you're signed up, find them in their network platform and apply to join their affiliate program. So we're first going to look for TripAdvisor over here. So check this, and we're also going to accept this. So first, open this so that you could read it out. I would recommend that you guys read it. A software policy, you have to read this out as well. Agree, then privacy policy. Agree, then click on continue to account. Simply wait. And now simply once again enter the email address that you have provided. Click on continue, enter the password. And then what we're going to look for is the TripAdvisor. So simply wait for this TripAdvisor, then we're going to apply. We're going to apply to join their affiliate program. And there's also approval criteria, by the way, so you have to check that out. Let's try and check out if we will be able to have time to view. Over here, how does this is the requirement, by the way, for their affiliate program. How long does it take? So they receive hundreds of applications, so it might take a while, so you have to wait for like weeks or months even. Are there minimum traffic requirements? There's no required for you. There's no requirements. I think they're focused on whether you're fit for their program, if you will be able to provide the right amount of traffic. And network partners, you have your lead generators over here. So these are the requirements, basically basic requirements. And over here, get started. And under for our partners, let's look for partners over here, find advertisers. And then we're going to search for Tripadvisor and then we're going to apply to them. We're going to search over here. So we have all of these programs over here. Tripadvisor. Let's see if it will appear here. I don't know if it's working. Tripadvisor. Tripadvisor. I guess we could. Yeah, I think you're going to look through here and look for Tripadvisor. I'm not sure what's happening if why we're not able to search it. Let's check out my advertisers. The step mentioned, find us in the network platform. So campaigns or network platform reports. I guess this is the network platform. Let's see here. Let's try looking for it where you should be checking it out. But anyway, before you do that, I think you need to complete, or I would recommend that you complete your account over here, complete your validation, enter your user information, complete your network profile, your promotional property information, your tax, all of this necessary information for you to be able to activate your account. You can't really go to and apply directly right away unless you activate your account. And simply look for TripAdvisor over here inside of the advertisers. Look for them or look for the affiliate program that they post here. I think their search is not working, so I might or you guys might have to look for it manually through their different lists over here. But you could simply, after you found or after you see the TripAdvisor affiliate program, you can simply click on apply to the program and then you will be able to enter other necessary information that they are requiring. And of course, you're then going to wait to be accepted or to pass their affiliate requirements. So anyway, that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.